Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another MDF kit. This is a pre-printed stuff from XLC, and yeah, we're going to be doing another from the factory bundle, or warehouse bundle. I can't remember what the bundle's called, but yeah, this is all the instructions here on the back of this one. So it's an L-shaped factory, and it doesn't really come on sprues, which is... I don't know. I mean, it's a space saver anyway, so that's fine. It's not like I don't have enough sprues or empty sprue frames, so yeah, not bad. And yeah, it looks like it's really easy to throw together. The roof's parts I'm going to replace with this. This is your, what is it, the corrugation you get around your coffee cups. And yeah, we're just going to... I've got lots of these pre-painted, so I'm just going to stick these on where the roof pieces are. And much like our other build that we assembled, let me just grab it. Here it is here. This warehouse one. We took off the roof on that one. This is it all here. So there's 3 little roof sections. Those 2 at the top and 1 there. And we're going to use all these spare bits, including the spare bits of the roofs, for this set here, and we're going to see if we can't make another building out of them all. So I'm going to get to assembling this, and I thought rather than do it the exact same way as this one, which we will be copying a lot of the bits, we'll still be adding on various tufts, same sort of kind of weathering effects, but we'll be adding on a lot more kind of green onto it, and we'll be using this. This is your FW olive green color, and it's perfect if you want to create a sort of kind of mossy look. So I'm going to be using this as well as some of the shredded toilet paper with green paint to make a mache. And yeah, same as we've done here, tidy up all the edges with cable ties, and we'll take it from there. So that's all I've got for you just now. Bye for now. See you again soon. Hello again, and we're back. So, the instructions were absolute joy to follow, very simple and easy to put together, and that's what it kind of looks like. This is our version. So, as you can see here, we've attached on, same as here, we've attached on the cable ties. We've also added on the corrugated card, like we discussed before, a whole myriad of tufts, and homemade sponge flock, just to add and hide a little detail. We've also used that olive green ink, acrylic ink from Dale Rowney, and we've also used the green mash just to fill in certain areas and really sort of work it in to areas like this, where there's actually little slots, and then you can just kind of smear it down, and that's been really effective. You can see it quite well in some of these windows here and these ones here. It just really kind of adds to it. So yes, I'm very happy with these results. It's definitely a lot more mossy green than this one. This one we just used a kind of a brown mash in the original. So that's another one done. So that's a L-shaped factory. I'm very pleased with the results. We also have these parts, which is the roof pieces. So that's them all there. So we've got these ones left over. Now combined with these roof pieces from this build, I think we will have more than enough to make up an extra building at the end. But we've still got 2 more to make up, which we've got here, which is the shipping containers, which I don't think there's going to be any extra bits left over from that one, so that one should be fine. And we've got this one here, which does have another huge honking roof. So I think, yeah, we'll definitely get more bits out of that one. We'll see what we'll be able to do with those. But yes, I'm very happy and pleased with these results here. I think it's turned out very nicely. And yeah, it does complement the other build quite well. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing all these done and dusted. But yes, that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching, and bye!